how to create and join a private server in Roblox Steal a Brainrot. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply log into your Roblox account. After that, search for Steal a Brainrot. If it is not there on the recommended options, simply select it. After that, when you scroll down, you would be able to find different options over here. Simply select the server one. And here you get this option to create private server. Simply click on create private server. By the way, you would require 79 Robux in order to create a private server. After that, you can invite your friends and other people to it depending on the settings that you will keep. If you want to join someone else's private server, simply check out by scrolling down, and this way you would be able to check out different other servers, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.